Kia ora koutou, talofa lava. We are here on day 3 at Te Matatini, the third stage of our performances. Now, we've seen a lot of people leave their blood, sweat and tears and even their souls on stage. And quite often, after they perform, they're looking for some soul food to replenish those souls. And we have none other than Polyanaz standing right here. We're the owners, Kevin and Anna. Thank you so much for joining me today. How has your guys' store been going today?
It's been pretty chaotic today. It's been very busy. Despite the rain, people still come out and support their iwi, and yeah, they're very hungry too. So we're glad that they're coming out here, even in the rain.
And I'll pass it over to you, Anna. At the Polyanaz, I mean, I'm assuming it's named after your name here, but what sort of food, what sort of soul food are you giving everyone over this whole week?
Yeah, our popular meals was lamb buns, as marinated lamb, and our large barbecue, white bait, mussel fritter, everything, steak and egg roll, bacon,
Traditional chop suey.
yeah, and chop suey and rice. Yeah, so everything was, everybody was come here to look forward to have a taste of our kai, and some of them had known us from the previous Matatini.
Yeah, I understand that at the last Te Matatini, 4 years ago, you guys were the only Polynesian store at the moment. What brought you guys back to Te Matatini?
Oh, it's just, Matatini kind of brings in all cultures. And we felt that we wanted to represent not only, we're from Flaxmere, but especially Polynesian people. And I thought, get a mixture within there with the hangi and all the other different foods. We thought we'll bring some Polynesian soul food into Matatini.
And the majorities of our customers is Māori back home at Hawke's Bay. They are the one coming and get our kais.
Awesome. Now, you talked about being from Flaxmere, Hastings, Hawke's Bay. You guys have been going through a tough time down there with a lot of people, and you guys managed to still make it up here to Auckland. What has that been like? And did you guys have a chance of not coming at all? Were you guys always, what's it been like back home?
We're very fortunate. We didn't get too badly, in the floods, but I think what was the downside is the extra hours we had to travel. The state highway through Napier Taupo is closed, so we had to come the long way. But, we still wanted to come out here. We've invested too much into this.
Yeah, it took us about almost 10 hours to get here. We have to go through Palmerston North, then make our way here. Yeah, so, but we are thinking of our people back home. They really wanted to come here, but yeah, they really wanted to stay behind and help the people in the community.
Going back home, so we thought we'll try and come in and support Kahunun.
Yeah, we love you, Hawke's Bay whānau. We're here to represent all of us.
Definitely inspiring and giving something people back home to look forward to. What has been the number one item that has been going at the moment? We spoke to Mama Sella's Otai over there. Otai's going quick. What's been the number one item you've seen?
Well, we still got another day and a half, and we're sold out of Steve lamb buns.
Yes, we sold out and got disappointed customers. Say, I'll make sure next time will be lots of lamb buns here for you guys. And I just wanted to say, all the whānau have been here and see us. Thank you very much, and we won't do this without the help of our children there. Our kids are very awesome.
Thank you so much. I'll let you guys get back to working in your busy kitchen over here. Tēnā koe, thank you so much, and I wish you all the best for the store and travelling back home too.